Hi guys, welcome back. I am going to be doing a tutorial today on my eyebrows. As you can tell, I'm looking pretty ghostly right now. I did do my face because I'm going to be filming a video on the new Huda Beauty palette, the new nude, which is over here, right there. Yeah, that one. Can't wait. I did use almost all Huda products. I do have their foundation and I do have her new concealer, which is not that bad. By the looks of it, I'm looking over here because I have my monitor. But it looks pretty good, and I have some pretty bad dark under circles. Dark under circles, yeah, we'll call it that. So I'm going to be using 3 different techniques. So I'm going to be wiping off and redoing, but I'm going to be using a powder. I use this one right here. This is the brow gal. She's really good. I really like her. You can use the Sweater Dry. I use her. I also use the Eyebrow from Benefit. It's really good too. And I'm also going to be using, this is a Promenade, by the way. Sorry guys. This is like a cream base type. So I'm going to use that. And I'm also going to use a pencil. I'm going to use the Anastasia Brow Wiz. So it's got the little spoolie on one side, and on the other side it's got the fine pencil. So I'm going to be doing those 3, so in case you use one or the other, you know how to do it, or how I do it. And if you like how I do it, then by all means copy me. I have no problems with that. The more Jennifers, the better. So I'm gonna get started. I'm not gonna really talk through it, so that way I could, speed it up for you guys, because doing brows does take a good minute, or maybe like 5 to 15, depending if it's a good day or not. So let's put these beauties back in. They're not too bad, but they need a little help. And I'm gonna zoom you in, and let's get started. Right now I did one eyebrow with the powder and one eyebrow with the Benefits Cabrow. I finish it off with Rimmel Brow This Way. It's a, I was gonna say it's a setting gel. It's a brow styling gel. So I would set it with that. I usually tend to take the brush and I will like rub most of it off on the side like that. I just keep doing that. So that way you don't get so much product and you have a clump there. But as you can tell, they're two different. One's a powder, one's a pomade, and they look pretty much the same. Very bold, very bold. So if you want it a little lighter, then obviously you put a little less product. I'm gonna take one of these off, which probably is gonna be this side, which is the brow gel, which is just the powder, and I'm gonna go ahead and show you how to do it with the Anastasia brow pencil. So let's get to it. So here is the finished one with the Anastasia Beverly Hills Brow Wiz, the pencil. The pencil I kind of like if you're trying to do like a very light, natural looking brow, because by the looks of it, that's how it looks. They still kind of match up. This one's a little bit darker, but this one's in a medium brown. And what color is this one? I want to say it's a brown too. It's 4, which I'm thinking it's like a dark brown. So that's probably the difference. And also, this is a pencil and this is a gel pomade. Actually, it's a cream gel. It might not even be a pomade. That's a good one. It got me. I have Anastasia Beverly Hills here. And this is a medium brown. And this is definitely... backwards. Hello. This is definitely a medium brown. She looks abused, but it's because she's used and loved. So anything that looks abused is because we love it a lot. But those are the 3 different type of products that you can use. Well, maybe 4 if we include now that gel and the pomade. Those are the 3 different products that you can use to do your eyebrows. Mine, I've always been bald. Yeah, I get it from my mom. I was trying to think like my dad had, but my mom growing up, she had a unibrow and everything. Bless her heart. But my brothers too didn't have unibrows. Well, actually, they did a little bit, but we all had very like bushy eyebrows, which back within what the late 80s to beginning 90s, it was like a thin eyebrow. That was what was in. So these were just not in, but thank God I didn't pick at them too much. So now that nice thicker eyebrows are in, oh my God, my earring just fell. And it has a hair too. But now that these eyebrows are in, I guess I'm in with it. But these are my eyebrows. I hope you like them. And I'm also going to be doing an eyeliner tutorial. So, eyeliner. Eyeliner. So, stay tuned for that and wish me luck that eyeliner works with me today. The product is good. It's my hand that's not sometimes, you know. Before I forget, something that I also do, if I decide to line out my eyebrows with either the Eyebrow, the Anastasia, or even the pencil, I will use the powder to like fill it in. So I kind of tend to do that a lot. I'll do the line so I can get like a sharp. Like right now, this is without putting concealer. You can do the concealer to make it even more sharp. This is just like an everyday, I gotta get going. I gotta get out of here. Let me do this as quick as I can because that's how we really live. Let's be honest. And even if I have the time, you know, if you're like me, you have family that is like 10 years later. But I love it. It's my therapy. But I tend to do that. I'll go ahead. The powder seems to be like the fastest, so I'll go ahead and line it up with the pomade or with the gel or even with the pencil, and then I'll go ahead and fill it up with the powder. So that's something else you guys can do. Didn't want to forget to tell you that because I do it. You know. Okay. Also, the gel that I use, it's a medium brown, but it's lighter than the medium browns that I use as far as the powder, the gel, the pomade, or the pencil. So it kind of lightens them up a little bit, which is good. It makes it look a little more natural and also kind of gives it a few little highlights. And obviously, since my hair color has highlights mixed in it, it works out great. So that's just another thought and idea and tip and trick for you guys to use. The Huda video that I'm doing on the new nude palette from her, that's gonna be up before this, so I'm gonna link it so you guys, if you didn't check it out, you could see it, and then the eyebrow tutorial and then the eyeliner tutorial will come. So just in case you're seeing this and you're like, wait, what? Huda palette? It's on my channel already, so go check it out. Well, you all take care. Please don't forget to subscribe. Wherever it's at, I always forget. I think it's this side. No, it's this side. It's definitely this side. If I'm wrong, I'm wrong. But please subscribe. Hit the notification bell. Hit like. Let me know what else you guys want to see. I do have a list of different videos coming up, but I also want to do what you guys would like to see. So don't forget, I'm also on Instagram and I'm in Facebook. I'm more on Instagram though. Instagram, YouTube, Snapchat. I'm getting there. So I'll let you know about that one. You guys take care and have a great one.